Hi, I'm Instructional Services Librarian Julie Sweeney here at Ryan Library. The purpose of this video is to help you access library resources. In this case, we'll be looking at accessing eBooks. If you're working through your library research assignment, you'll find this as Source 2, Books Available from PLNU. The first thing we'll need to do is find the library homepage. This URL, pointloma.edu/library, is the easiest way to get there. Once you've arrived at the library homepage, you'll want to locate the Quick Search box. Within that box, the default tab is the WorldCat tab, which is the option you want to have selected to find books. You can go ahead and enter search terms in the search box and click on the search button. To be sure that you're finding eBooks, look at this column on the left-hand side that shows you your options for filtering. Simply check the eBook option, and all of the items left in your list will be eBooks, which you have access to remotely. In my search, I've found a large number of results. So before I go on, I want to narrow my search by adding more search terms. When I hit return, my number of results is updated. However, you can see in the filters list that it's gone back to showing me all results, so I will have to again click on the eBook option. Don't be afraid to try different combinations of your search terms and repeat your search as often as you like. As you look through your results list, see if you're finding what you need and adjust your search accordingly. However, every time that you hit a new search, be sure you come back and select eBook as your format. As I look through my results list and find something that looks good and connects with my topic, all I have to do to access the eBook is click on this View eBook button. When I click there, it's going to have me sign in. You'll do this using your same one login password that you use for all of Point Loma's resources, like Canvas. Once I've logged in, my ebook will open and I can see its summary screen. I have the options to read the book online or download the book. Since you're at home and using your own device, you may choose to download the book or to download a portion of the book. As I open my book, I can find some helpful features. In ebook format, I can search by keyword within the text of the book itself. And I can easily locate chapters of my book that connect with my topic, which was the economic aspects of climate change. For your library assignments, you can see that you will need to locate the information about your book that's needed to cite it. You'll find the author, the book title, the date published, and the publisher. Since the books that you will be using are eBooks, you can ignore the call number since eBooks don't have them in our system, and look for the eBooks database and also its URL or its permalink. From any page in your ebook, and since mine is open, if you look for the two intersecting links, this is the link to your book, or the permalink. This is where you'll find it when you have the book open. From the original screen, you'll find that link listed as Share Link to Book with that same interlocking links icon. And there it is again. That's the URL for my ebook. You'll also see up in the top left-hand corner the name of your database. This ebook lives in the ProQuest eBook Central database. Most of our collection of ebooks will come from ProQuest eBook Central. So if you see this purple bar and ProQuest eBook Central, that's going to be the name of your database. You may also see the EBSCO ebook collection, or perhaps something else. If you're having trouble finding your ebook, locating its citation information, or any other question that you have, please contact the library at any time.